Today, let's talk about 3D printing, a technology that is revolutionizing how we create, manufacture, and think about design. In simple terms, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that allows users to make a physical object from a simple design. 3D printing starts with a digital model created in CAD software. This model is sliced into thin layers by specializing software, generating instructions for the printer. The printer then deposits materials like plastic, metal, or cells, layer by layer, building the object from the bottom up. This method enables complex, customized production with less waste than traditional manufacturing. One market where 3D printing is rapidly expanding is within the medical field. Using this technology to produce high demand products allows for the high demand to be met. It creates great business value. As products reach the market faster, it provides customers insights to refine products before mass production and allows for innovative products. For example, in the medical field, this new type of cast pictured to the right allows for more breathability while maintaining the structure needed to repair the broken bone. As it relates to all fields, 3D printing allows users to produce more prototypes, which can improve their product before it hits the market. However, some obstacles faced are technical limitations, the ease of copying and reproducing products, lack of skilled workers, and high costs. Success in this field can be achieved by material innovation and availability, lowered costs, and improved application quality. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation.